Hello, this is VHEN Bautista, CHINO, ROMERO of California with
Imelda Corpuz, OFW in Hong Kong.
So everyone, we hope you like it. Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
You, I know you're everything that I've been looking for, and I look into your eyes and could not ask for more.
So it's only fair to lay it on the line.
Wow.
Hold on, I'm gonna need a little time. But if I ever fall in love again, sometimes when this broken heart can mend,
I know it's gonna be with you.
You're
the one to pull me through, though I don't know when. If I ever fall in love again,
scared, I guess I'm scared to fly. It's such a long way down, and yet if you distrust in me, I'm sure I'd come around.
and I know when your heart's hard to let someone inside.
Ooh,
In your arms I feel I'm ready now to try.
Oh, so if I ever fall in love again, sometimes when this broken heart can mend,
I know it's gonna be with you.
it's gonna be
You're
with
the
you.
one to pull me through, though I don't know when. If I ever fall in love again,
I'd be a fool to ever let you go.
you're the best thing in my life.
When I know I've gotta take it slow.
Oh, I know it's gonna be with you.
Gonna be
You're
with
the
you.
one to pull me through, though I don't know when. If I ever fall in love again, if I ever fall in love again. You have a great voice.
Thank you po.
Thanks for watching.